Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to make usage of merge queries in Excel. Now first let me explain you what is merge queries. So over here you can see I have a Excel file in which I have the fields like order ID, order date, customer ID, rep ID, category, unit price, quantity, revenue, and shipping fee. Now, supposing I want the name of the customer over here and also his phone number. And now the customer name and the phone number are present in a separate sheet over here. You can see that I have the customer name and his phone number over here. And between both these sheets, that is orders and customers, there is a common field, that is the customer ID. Here you can see you have the ID field and here also you have the customer ID field. Now if I want to get the customer name and the phone number into this file basis the common field customer ID, then in the normal scenario, you have to use the VLOOKUP command. However, today I will show you how you can achieve the same without using the VLOOKUP command. So let me show you how you can achieve the same. In order to do that, we will make a new blank worksheet like this. And after that, I will click on data, and in data, I will select get data. In get data, I will select from file and then I would select from Excel workbook. Then it would ask me the name of the Excel file. I'll specify the name and the location and then click on import. Then it will show me all the sheets in that file. Remember to put a check mark on select multiple items. And we will select two files, the customer's file, and it will show me a preview of the customer's file over here. And I also want the orders file. So I will select the orders file also. And after that, I would click on transform data. Now this will bring me into a feature of Excel which is called as Power Query. Here you can see our two files, orders and customers. For the ease of understanding, I would move the orders table on the top and the customers table below. Now I want to merge both these tables, keeping in mind that the customer ID of the orders table should match with the customer ID of the customers table. So if I want to achieve the same, then I would click on Merge Queries. And this would open to me a separate dialog box. In that dialog box on the top, you can see it is showing me the orders table. And at the bottom, from this drop down, I would select the customers table. And now I have to specify the common field. So in the orders file, the common field is customer ID, and in the customers file, the common field is ID. So I have to just click on the title to specify the link and then click on OK. Now you can see that in the orders table, the customer field table has got joined, but I cannot see the fields of the customers table. In order to see the fields of the customer table and in order to specify the join, here's what I will do. After I come on the orders table like this and I scroll a bit to the right, where I see the customers table. Here I will click on this arrow over here, and there I would deselect all and select only the columns I want. So from the customers table, I want only the contact name and the phone, and then I would select OK. So now you can see I've got the matching contact names and the corresponding phone numbers. Now I want to send this result into a new worksheet. So here on the left side, you have close and load. So I would select close and load to. Over here, I would select close and load into a new worksheet, and then I would click on OK. Now the result of this query would go into a new sheet. So here you can see this is a altogether new workbook created called as book 2, and I have both my files, customers and orders. However, if you go into orders, I'll close this window for a moment. If you go into orders, you will see for every order you have the matching customer name and the corresponding contact phone number. And remember, we have done all this just by clicking and without using the VLOOKUP command. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.